our planet is a sustainable place to live in, but humans rapidly exploited it for their benefit. India produces thousands of tons of solid waste per day that gets dumped in landfills. Out of this, 73% is organic waste that is generated from our homes, industries, hotels and restaurants, commercial spaces and hospitals, resulting in the emission of methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times more harmful than carbon dioxide, which further pollutes our air, water and soil. Now is the time we take this responsibility of managing our own waste with pride and help restore the earth back to its glory. As India's leading sustainable engineering solutions provider and in line with Swachh Bharat Abhiyan's initiative of a clean and green India, Kirloskar enables you with yet another revolutionary product that you can proudly adopt and do the right thing. Kirloskar Island. Kirloskar Island is a fully automated organic waste composter that perfectly blends biotechnology and intelligent engineering to convert the organic waste from our homes and community spaces into a ready-to-use, nutrient-rich soil supplement suitable for landscaping and garden use. Kirloskar Island helps lower the carbon footprint by reducing the organic waste volume by 80 to 90%. Kirloskar Island is the only CSIR Institute validated organic composter which comes with efficiency integrated. It acts as a solution towards green living with operating expenses less than 1 rupee per person per day. Kirloskar Island is noiseless and maintenance free with a short processing time of just 24 hours and improved functions of organic waste decomposition. The entire process is odorless and it is backed by Kirloskar's rich engineering expertise and superior servicing capabilities. Kirloskar Island is available in various sizes ranging from 25 to 1,250 kilogram machines and up to 2.5 tons per day systems. With Kirloskar Island, every individual and organization can now become a responsible part of the organic waste disposal ecosystem by helping to convert waste into nutrient-rich soil supplements and putting them back into nature. Come, join the growing island community to do your bit and contribute to nature, to be a part of the solution, not the problem, and make our land better for all of us and the future generations. Do your bit today by adopting a sustainable lifestyle with Kirloskar Island. Together, let's create a beautiful world.